What do you call this console? Officially it's the PlayStation, but certain fans call it the PSX. Magazines and websites sometimes call it PSX2. Some people get very upset by this, arguing it's just a nickname or a confusion with a later system. But this console was indeed called the PSX, by Sony themselves. From its initial unveiling in December 1993 until just before its Japanese release 12 months later, Sony called their upcoming console PSX in the Western market, but suddenly changed it back. So how did the PlayStation get two names? And where did those names even come from? It goes right back to the beginning of PlayStation history. In the 1980s, Sony were developing an early computer graphics system for use in television broadcasts. Called System G, it could create real-time 3D animations that were revolutionary for the time. But System G was extremely niche hardware. Each device cost over $300,000. Much more promising for Sony was their partnership with Nintendo. They were building a Super NES CD add-on, provisionally called PlayStation, a pun on the term workstation. But then the partnership fell through. Ken Kutaragi had seen a demo of System G a few years earlier, and he was convinced that combining its graphics tech with the new CD format would make for a truly next-gen system. Its codename was PlayStation X, or PS/X. The X, it seems, was to signify the experimental tech inherited from System G. But PSX was an internal codename. How did it become public? It was all down to a conflict inside Sony, between Sony Corporation Japan and Sony Computer Entertainment in America. The Americans did not like the name PlayStation one bit. Supposedly it did badly in market research, but another story comes from journalist Reiji Asakura, who describes just how much SCEA hated the console's branding and design. They insisted that grey was unacceptable in the US market. The console must be white. The design of the controller was too small for American hands. They disapproved of the name PlayStation. The Play in PlayStation, they said, was reminiscent of Playboy and might be misconstrued. Whatever the reasons, SCEA went rogue and began promoting the console as the PSX. According to Edge magazine, April 1994, at a developers conference in December at their headquarters in London, Sony revealed their new console, branded the PlayStation X or PSX. In August that year, Edge magazine followed up with an extensive splash containing several quotes from Sony. What PSX provides is real-time movement on a games machine. The PSX provides completely realistic characters. We must produce a shorthand for what makes the PSX special. However, Sony Japan were not happy. In late 1994, they asserted their authority, decreeing that the console would only be called PlayStation. The problem was, the name PSX had stuck, not only in the media, with journalists and magazines, but within the console itself. You see, the PlayStation's internal software and developer kits use the term PSX extensively. The bytes of every PlayStation game start with a magic string that reads PSX-EXE in ASCII. The official developer docs speak proudly of the PSX OS. When you boot your console with a debug terminal, the first thing it does is print PSX Real-Time Kernel version 2.5. In fact, the first development system, the DTL500, has a label explicitly calling it the PSX target box. This led to a situation where Sony and its marketing used PlayStation, but many press, programmers and retailers kept using PSX. For instance, Ridge Racer has this ranking screen that reads Ridge Racer PSX Namco, whereas the official UK PlayStation magazine almost always uses PlayStation. Over time, the name PSX fell out of fashion. In 1999, Sony announced the PS2 and fans started calling the first console PSOne. In 2003, Sony's consumer electronics division released a device actually called PSX. Short for PlayStation Experience, this was a combined PlayStation 2 and DVR system sold only in Japan. There's a popular myth that fans who call the original console PSX are somehow misremembering, confusing it with the DVR system. Ironically, this itself is the misremembering. But you could be forgiven for being confused. Let me go back to my original question. What do you call this console? PlayStation is a brand comprising multiple systems. PSOne is the smaller version of the original console. PSOne, pronounced the same but spelled differently, is a name fans invented after the PS2 was announced. PS Classic is another thing entirely. Speaking from the perspective of a programmer, it's useful to have a term describing these systems as a platform. And because of its history with developers, PSX is an obvious choice. You can see this reflected by emulators, like ePSXe, and this in turn keeps the name alive. Well, I hope that was an interesting step through some PSOne history. If you've made it this far, please give the video a like, and consider subscribing for more irregular PlayStation content.